Hi guys! So today I will be showing you games to play if you are bored. So this game is called Parker Rush. I will show you how to play it. Like this. Let's go right here.
Wow. Go wow.
First, wall running. Jump on the wall while looking forward like this. See? And you need to double jump here. And on the bars, you have to like jump on them like that. Okay. And here you have to double
Boy
jump.
nase. Boy nase. Boy kanin.
It's so fun to like play, guys. Things you do here is like you rush to finish the parkour and you can get rewards, money to buy trails. Okay, so that's it for the video. Bye guys.